Hi guys, Luke here, and in today's video I'm just going to be explaining how to set up CIS within the account. So if CIS applies to you, obviously you're either a contractor or a subcontractor, so you'll need to create a sales invoice or a supplier invoice in the system. So firstly you just need to enable CIS, which can be done within the settings. We just go to CIS and costs, just down here, go over to the CIS tab and make sure that's enabled. Once you've done that, you can enter your UTR number, which will be generated to you by HMRC. You obviously have your national insurance number, company number as well for limited liability companies only. Then you have your CIS reporting period and the CIS rate. Once you've enabled this, the account is ready to be ready for you to create any CIS applicable invoices. After this, we just need to make sure that the customer is set up for CIS. So when you go to create a new customer or supplier, you can choose whether it's a customer or a supplier. So whether you've got a contractor would be a customer and a supplier would be a subcontractor. So if I just pop in the details there, click more details and scroll down on the left hand side, you can enable and make them subject to CIS. Once you've done this, please bear in mind if you have created any additional invoices up before the fact of enabling CIS, the documents will need to be recreated. So once I've just created the project, I can then create a document directly from the project by clicking the pricing item, and then I will just add in a new item in the system. So if I just pop in labour, we'll say £100 a day for 5 days, and then add a category. So if we just select the labour category just here, you can see the CIS amount is £100. If materials are also applied to this, you can then enter materials in the system as well. So let's just put £300. Product category, we'll select materials, and as you can see that's outside of the CIS scope. You also do have CIS options down here, so you can add an explanation to the CIS, and you can also adjust the original value, which is currently estimated at £100. So once you've added the pricing item, you can then click create document and then create an invoice from this. As you can see, we've got the estimated CIS at £100, and it is also down here with all the company details. When you confirm the document in the account, you can just, obviously when the CIS is actually deducted from the payments that you make, so when you go to mark a document as paid, it will then display that there's an estimated CIS deduction of £100, and all you need to do is just record the payment at that stage. So let's record that. Ask if I'd like to close the project. I'm just going to click no for the purpose of this video, and there we go. So that is the document marked as paid within the system. So if I just back out now and hop into my reports and finances tab, we've got the CIS reports as well. So you've got the used by contractor section, so you have a payment and deduction statement which can go to your subcontractors by the 19th of each month. You can just run a report from here, and obviously once you've run the report you can send each supplier or subcontractor their own report for the month. You have the CIS contractor report for the CIS 300. Obviously again the report can be run from Power Now, then you can just submit that through HMRC. And then you've got the used by subcontractor, which is the CIS subcontractor report, which I believe is at the end of each tax year. So you can just run the report, and that will accumulate any CIS applicable invoices that you have created within the account. So that's CIS, that's how you set it up, that's how you create documents with it. If you have any questions, feel free to just pop us a message through the chat system. But if not, thanks for watching.